Welcome back to my new tutorial. So today I'm going to show how we can find out whether your data is normally distributed or not. So for this, go to Analyze and then go to the Descriptive Statistics. Go to Explore. Now you need to enter some of the variable into dependent list. Okay, just for example, I'm going to enter two variable ps ec sorry three variable to the dependent list. Now after that, hit plot and click on histogram and also click normality plot with test. Click on continue and click OK. So after that, you can see that in processing summary, if you go below, here you can see that significance is 0.684 for px, for ec 0.109. These two are greater than 0.05. So if significance level is greater than 0.05, your data is normally distributed. But in case of dissolved oxygen, you can see that p-value is less than 0.05. It means your data is not normally distributed. You can also check it out by using the shape of histogram. This is the PS. We can see that it follow the normal distribution like this way. For the other variable DO, you can see that the distribution is different. Graph is different, not following normal one. And this is for EC. You can see that there is a normal distribution like this way. So by this way you can check whether your data is normally distributed or not. And depending on the distribution of data, you can apply the different kinds of correlation. Just for example, if your data is normally distributed, you can use the Pearson correlation. However, if it opposes normal distribution, you can use the Spearman correlation coefficient. So in next video, I can teach you how you can use correlation in SPSS. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is very useful to you. Stay tuned.